Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming one of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century. From healthcare and transportation to education and entertainment, AI is revolutionizing how we live, work, and interact. It brings incredible opportunities but also significant challenges. Today, AI is embedded in nearly every aspect of life. In healthcare, it assists doctors in diagnosing diseases quickly and accurately. In transportation, self-driving cars are becoming a reality. Even as you watch this video, an AI algorithm has likely recommended it based on your preferences. AI is not just a tool, it is reshaping the way our world operates. While it offers immense benefits, AI also raises concerns. Millions of jobs are at risk due to automation. If not managed properly, AI could unintentionally perpetuate biases or even exceed human control. It is vital that we use AI responsibly to ensure fairness, sustainability, and inclusivity. The future of AI lies in our hands. It can serve as a powerful tool to solve global challenges or become a source of disruption if misused. How can we create a world where humans and machines collaborate instead of competing? The answer depends on our collective efforts and vision. Let us work together to build a better future with AI. By establishing ethical guidelines and promoting its use for the common good, we can ensure that this transformative technology benefits all of humanity.